After so long, I finally got my hands on a brand name electric skateboard. Man, I always wanted a powerful electric skateboard, but they were so expensive. I couldn't even get one. They were more expensive than an electric scooter, so I passed on it. But I found a cheap electric skateboard on Facebook Marketplace. When I saw it, I bought it from him, and I paid a very low price. It was such a good deal, but it came with its own problems. The motor bracket was broken. The previous owner decided to 3D print a new bracket, but it looked like it failed because 3D print, it's fragile, it's flexible, and it doesn't like heat. But don't worry, I have a solution. The next thing is the battery was dead. The battery itself was so fat, it looked like it was about to explode. Man, looking at that battery, I was so scared. Like, imagine. I know lithium batteries are dangerous, but that was the belly of the beast. I was playing with fire right there. So basically, I decided to cut the battery apart because you know what? I can't really recycle that massive battery. I have to take it apart and take it in, like split it into individual cells because that's the only way to recycle it. When I opened up the battery, I figured out that 5 cells were dead and 5 cells were savable. But anyway, I couldn't make a battery with that. Eventually, what I decided to do is I decided to make my own battery. I managed to find these premium batteries on AliExpress. They were like 7,000 milliamps. Now these batteries, I know batteries are very dangerous because with these websites, they always advertise high numbers, but when you finally get it, you realize that those high numbers were all lies. But these batteries, not only did they deliver, but they were massive. They were 26650. They were like massive batteries, like basically, an 18650. This was like 2 times wider. It was a beast. So I decided to buy 10 of them and create my own battery. Created my own motor bracket using a skateboard deck because it's made out of plywood and it's strong and flexible. So I knew this will replace the motor bracket because I did search online for motor brackets and I don't know why, but each motor bracket was like $200, and there's no way I'm paying $200 for a motor bracket. Not only that, but I paid like, maybe if you calculate it, I paid 1/10 of that $200 on the electric skateboard. So that just shows how cheap I got that electric skateboard for. Okay, I'll just tell you the price. I paid $25. Okay. It's too late. I don't know if my calculations were correct, if it's 1/10. But anyway. So I paid a premium price and I got the electric skateboard running again. Decided to do 3D print new mounts and so many other things I did. But anyway, continue with the video and then you'll realize what I did to it. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.